Hello, everybody! How is everyone today? Did you have a good weekend? I sure did. Okay, so over the weekend, I have given you as homework to read one article from BBC titled, what was the title? The title was Some of the Quirky Habits of Geniuses like Einstein and Nikola Tesla. So some of them were pretty funny. For example, how Einstein liked to nap every 10 minutes. That's nice, right? Sure is. Okay, so I'm sure all of you have read the article, and today we are going to go over some new vocabulary, go over some grammar, some irregular verbs, and the end project for this week is going to be you writing an essay about your quirky habits. Okay. First of all, let's go over some new vocabulary. And the way we're going to do it and we're going to have a little bit of fun with your smartphones using technology in the classroom. I would like you guys to go to kahoot.com. And when you go on this website, you are going to enter this code that's on the blackboard, and you are going to log in. Everybody will participate at once. Once you're logged in, we are going to be able to see what you write on your smartphone on the projector, using the projector on our blackboard, okay? So each one of you will take a few minutes. You are going to find 5 new words for you from the article that we had to read over the weekend, and each of you is going to write each word on the blackboard, and we all collectively together are going to try to explain what the meaning of this new word is, okay? Okay, so let's get started. Jenny, would you like to start? So you're logged in, I see, and the first word that you have is prolific. Prolific. Okay, guys, what is the meaning of prolific? Does anybody know? Yes, very good. Okay, so it's creative. Another synonym is productive or abundant. So let's use this in a sentence. For example, rain is prolific in the rainforest. So there is abundance of rain in the rainforest. Does that make sense? Okay, guys. So next word for Jenny. Okay, go ahead, Jenny. Next word is brag. Oh, what does brag mean? Okay. Show off. That's right. Show off. When somebody praises when you praise your own self. Let's use this in a sentence, guys, okay? For example, he bragged that he was sure of his victory. Okay, everybody's clear? Okay, next word, Jenny, please. Okay, next word for Jenny is breakthrough. What is breakthrough? That's right. Okay, very good. It's an important development or discovery. And I can use this in a sentence for you guys. For example, we can say his big breakthrough came in 1988 when he sold 2 of his paintings. When he finally sold 2 of his paintings. So breakthrough, it's an important discovery. Let's see on the board, next word that was new for Jenny. Oh, burst. Okay, we have burst. I can explain this for you guys. Burst is break open suddenly, an outbreak. And for example, I can use this in a sentence and say, His words burst from him in an excitement, in an exciting rush or an excitement. His words burst out suddenly, outbreak suddenly, break open suddenly. Does it make sense, guys? Okay, so now each one of you will do the same as Jenny. I'd like you guys to think of 5 words, and we're gonna go over the new vocabulary together. Okay, so now that we're done with our fun activity about vocabulary, I'd like you guys to remind you that at the end of the week, you're going to be required to write an essay. So I am quickly going to go over the parts of the essay for you now, and afterwards I'm going to give you a rubric that you can follow at home and write your essay. The topic of your essay, as I said, is going to be some of my quirky habits. Okay? So the parts of an essay. An essay consists usually of 5 paragraphs. The first paragraph is going to be your introduction. Then you're going to have 3 body paragraphs, and afterwards you're going to have a conclusion. 5. Usually your introduction will start with your topic sentence. You can start with a question to get the audience excited or interested in your essay, and each paragraph will have a similar structure, okay? And right now I'm going to hand over the rubric to you guys, and on the board I'm going to write each part of the paragraphs and go over this the parts of the essay in a very specific details. Okay, let's get started.